It just breaks my heart. I can't imagine being a parent and having that call be made that something's happened at a school. And it strikes this want to go and, solve the problem.
Immediately when these things happen on TV, I reflect on my own 4 children and think, how can these have been prevented? The Step Up program that we are now initiating, to me, is a step in that direction.
We've always done community outreach programs, but none specific to schools. So for us to kind of do an adopt a school type of policy and actually go out and make an impact within the schools in our community, I think is excellent.
So I love volunteering, so I'm very excited about this.
I think the fact that this Social Responsibility Day and what we're doing with the schools, with the Step Up program, means a lot to a lot of us who have children because, to go to school, you should be safe, and that should be a haven. And whatever we can do to make that more of a haven for them, I think we should do it.
Having 4 boys of my own, my 2 younger ones I brought with me today. A, to get a feel for what this company is all about, and B, to just be part of something that's good.
Makes me feel proud. Makes me feel that we are safer in a better society and that we can feel more comfortable in school.
Convergint is, one of the leaders I believe in giving back to the community. Pretty good people.
We hear a lot of talk in the news about what people want to do or what they think should be done, but we don't hear very often of things actually being done.
Your company, part of their value system is to see yourselves as a part of the mission of what we're trying to do in schools, and you found a way to tap into that, where children, staff actually reap the benefits of the partnership. I think it's awesome, and thank you for partnering with us as a partner to keep our schools safe.
It's what we should all be doing, not just Convergint. All of us should be doing something to act in response to the challenge.
It's time to step up.
It's time to step up.
It's time to step up.
It's time to step up.